In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a discount in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, first you want to go to the top left and click on Lists, and then you want to go to Item List. Now in here, you want to go to the bottom here, and you want to go to Item, you want to click on it, and you want to click on New. In here, we're now going to select the type, which is going to be a discount, and here you can give it an item name or number. So we're going to call this one a 20% discount, okay? Just like that. Of course, you can add a description as well. I'm going to do the same thing, 20% discount, and then here it's going to say amount. Now, since we did a 20% discount, of course, it's going to be a 20% discount, so the amount here is going to be 20%, just like that, okay? It automatically corrects. Don't worry, it's going to work as intended. If you want a discount, which is like maybe like dollar or euro based, you could just do like maybe like 20 euro discount, and then here just type in 20, and that's going to work as well. It's not going to be a percentage, but it's going to be an amount. Now whenever you do that, click on OK, and then here, as you can see, it says you must specify an account. I forgot that, so here you have to specify the account as well. I'm just gonna go with less discounts given and click on OK. Now here you can see I have a discount. I had one earlier as well, but then this one is over here as well. So I can just go to customers over here and create an invoice. And if I go and add an item over here, let's just do like a floor plan. For example, we're gonna do one floor plan, which was worth, let's just do 100. So, oops. My mistake, I actually mistakenly have changed this. There we go. Let's just say the rate here is going to be 1,000. So this floor plan cost 1,000, and I can go to this arrow and I can now apply a discount. So if I look for discount, there we go. We have the 20% discount over here. If I now click on it, as you can see, it's going to go minus 20%, which in this case is minus 200. And now down here, the balance is now 800 because it was 1,000 minus the 200 that I discounted. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.